Do you want to know how you can clear the cache memory of Quizlet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can clear the cache of Quizlet. Go ahead and locate Quizlet on your phone, tap on it and go to its settings. Now you can see if you scroll down there is a storage option. Tap on storage and you can see the cache over here. Go ahead and press clear cache, which is on the bottom of your screen if you want to clear the cache of Quizlet. Let me show it to you once again guys how you can clear the cache. Go ahead and locate Quizlet, tap on it, go to its settings, scroll down and click on storage. Now click on clear cache, which is on the bottom of your screen, and you can see that the cache memory of Quizlet has now been cleared. I hope this video about how you can clear the cache of Quizlet was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.